In this video, I'll guide you on how to put and remove the glasses spacer on your Meta Quest 3S. This should also apply to the Meta Quest 3 as well. First thing you want to do is to go ahead and remove this top head strap over here. This is going to enable us properly install the glasses spacer without any obstruction. I'm just going to push a little hard, just like so. Push it a little hard and it's out. Now, next thing you want to do is to remove this spacer between the lenses and your eyes, first of all. So you want to just hold from the bottom over here and then this top side and then pull it from the top. So hold it at the bottom and then at the top, and then make sure you pull it from the top a little bit. And then you want to come over to the bottom and then do the same thing. Just pull it a little hard. Now you want to go ahead and get your spacer. Obviously, this curved part of the spacer should be around the curved part on the Meta Quest 3S or Meta Quest 3 headset. Then you just want to place it like so. Make sure it fits properly with the headset, and then you just want to properly press on every part of the glasses spacer until it fits properly with the headset. So just go ahead and press it a little hard like so. You also want to do the same thing for the top as well. So just go ahead and press a little hard until it snaps like so. And once you're sure that it fits properly, before you go ahead to put back your other spacer, you want to now install the top part of your straps like so. And then you can now proceed to insert the spacer, that is this other spacer between the Meta Quest 3S or Meta Quest 3 with your eyes. Turn it this way so that this curved part fits this part like so. And then you also want to press on every side of the spacer until it snaps with the headset. So press it a little hard and you're good to go. So this is basically how you can put on the glasses spacer of the Meta Quest 3S or Meta Quest 3. And to remove it, you want to do almost the same thing. So first of all, remove this first layer of spacer, pull it just like before. So make sure you put your hand on the bottom and then on the top, then pull it from the top a little hard. Then you want to do the same thing for the bottom as well, like so. And then now to remove the spacer, you want to first of all pull it from the bottom first. So you want to just go ahead and pull it a little bit from the bottom and it should automatically come out. And then you also want to do the same thing. You have to be careful. There are actually two pins over here. So you just want to carefully pull it out, just like so. And now you can simply just remove the headset glasses spacer and then go ahead and insert this other spacer. Place it like so. Make sure all of the pin fits and you're good to go. And I hope this was helpful. Please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.